Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage home decor with retro vibe. Let's start the video. Vintage home decor with a retro vibe is a style that blends elements from past decades, usually from the 1920s to the 1980s, to create a nostalgic, charming, and often playful atmosphere in your home. Here is a quick breakdown of what that means. Vintage vs retro. Vintage, authentic items from a specific era like 1950s rotary phones, 1940s dresser. Retro, newer items or designs inspired by past style, like modern couch with a 70s pattern. Key characteristics, bold colors and patterns. Think mustard yellow, teal, avocado green, geometric prints, and floral wallpapers. Number 2. Mid-century furniture, clean lines, odd accents, hairpin legs, and tempered silhouettes. Number 3. Retro accessories, old school radios, record players, vintage telephones, or retro kitchen appliances. Number 4. Wall art and signac, pin-up poster, old advertisements, movie prints, or neon sign. Number 5. Textures and materials, velvet, vinyl, formica, chrome, and oud, especially walnut or teak. Vibe and atmosphere. A vintage retro home feels warm, nostalgic, and full of personality. It is not about perfection, but character, celebrating the charm and quirks of the past. Let's dive a bit deeper into vintage home decor with a retro vibe, including its origins, key elements, popular decades, and how you can style your home using this aesthetic. It is a style that draws inspiration from earlier decades, especially the 1920s to the 1980s, and uses a mix of authentic vintage pieces and retro-inspired reproductions. The focus is on nostalgia, character, and individuality. Popular eras and their signature style, 1920s to 1930s, Art Deco, glamorous, luxurious, geometric designs. Uses materials like glass, chrome, mirrors, lacquer. Colors, black, gold, silver, deep greens, and reds. Next, 1940s to 1950s, mid-century and classic Americana. Uses clean lines, wood furniture, pastel kitchens. Dinner-style kitchenware, automatic starburst patterns. Popular items, formica tables, vintage radios, or rotary phones. Next, 1960s, mode and pop art. Uses bold colors like orange, red, turquoise, navy green. Basic prints, geometric patterns, or funky furniture. Uses lava lamps, hug rugs, vinyl chairs. 1970s boho and earthy retro. Earthy tones like burnt orange, mustard yellow, avocado cream. Uses rattan cream wood paneling, houseplants. Uses funky wallpaper, bang bangs, record players. 1980s pop culture and eclectic retro. Uses neon colors, abstract patterns like minimalist designs. Uses plastic, chrome, or glass surfaces. How to create the look? Start small. Add a vintage clock, retro toaster, or an old typewriter as a statement piece. Use thrifted or flower market finds. Next, mix and match. Combine items from different decades, but keep a consistent color palette to tie it together. Pair modern sofas with a 70s style coffee table or an antique mirror. Textures and materials. Use velvet, rattan, chrome, vinyl, or chark oak to bring that era-specific touch. Sag rugs, floral upholstery, and mimicry wall hangings add texture and depth. Wall decor, gallery walls with old magazine covers, vinyl album art, or movie posters. Hang abstract clock or vintage signet for authenticity. Color schemes, go for mustard yellow, olive green, and warm browns for a 70s vibe. Choose pastels for a 50s inspired kitchen. Add puffs of neon if you were channeling the 80s. Pro tips: don't try to copy AutoCAD exactly unless you are going for a period specific theme. Instead, create a crowded space that feels layered and lived in, blending old and new with a strong personal touch. Deeper dive: Vintage home decor with retro vibe, design philosophy. Vintage retro decor is about storytelling through design. Every piece has a history, whether it is a genuine antique or a reproduction. These styles celebrate the imperfections, charm, and the character of eras gone by, while still making your home feel fresh and stylish. It is not just about copying a look from the past, it is about reinventing it with your own taste. Key design elements. First, furniture uses mid-century modern 1950s to 1960s tapered legs, low profiles, walnut wood. 1970s inspired boho, wicker chairs, rattan furniture, and plush setting. 1980s liquor finishes, glass tables, or bold colors. Next, lighting, spontaneous candlelights, lava lamps, globe painted lights. Use lamps with fringe shades or retro base in bold colors. Textiles use curtains and upholstery with geometric, atomic, or floral patterns. Use velvet, corduroy, and saggy textures. Use quilted or embroidered cushions. Decor and accessories. Use rotary phones, vintage suitcases, typewriters. Use vinyl record players, Polaroid cameras, wall clocks, mirror with ornate or starburst frames. Find to shop, thrift stores and flower markets, affordable, authentic finds, Iste and eBay. Great for vintage collectibles or handmade, retro style items. Antique malls, crowded collections from specific eras. Modern retailers, for retro-inspired pieces. Prefer Urban Outfitters, West Elm, IKEA, for mid-century replicas. Personalizing the look. You don't have to follow a script time capsule approach. Instead, blends decades. A 1960s lamp can pair beautifully with a 1970s armchair and a 1980s graphic prints. Modern contrast. Balance retro with clean, modern touches, like white walls or minimalist accessories, to avoid looking too dated. Display collections, old cameras, vinyl records, vintage books, or Pyrex bowls can become part of the decor. Room by room ideas. Living room, velvet or tweed sofas in burnt orange or olive. Record player set up with a gallery wall of album covers. Spontaneous light fixtures or art floor lamps. Kitchen, mint green or cherry red retro frieze. Light smack, dinner style chairs, checkerboard flooring, vintage canisters. Use floral curtains or wallpaper. Bedroom, top table, vintage vanity, layered coils, embroidered linens, retro alarm clock, and lamps with funky bases. Bathrooms, retro tile patterns, like checkerboard or pastel. Use chrome pictures, pedestal sink. Use framed poster or art. Mood and atmosphere. The vibe is inviting, cozy, and nostalgic. People often feel at home in vintage-inspired spaces because the style connects with history, memories, and a sense of comfort. Design styles within the vintage retro spectrum. Mid-century modern, 1945 to 1969. Look, silk lines, functionality, minimal ornamentation. Colors, olive, teal, walnut brown, or burnt orange. Furniture, low-profile sofas, image chairs, check, credences. Details, hairpin legs, substract clocks, Boomerang coffee tables, mood, cool, stylish, and timeless. Vintage glam, 1930s to 1950s. Look, opulence and luxury with vintage flair. Colors, black, gold, glass pink, or ivory. Textures, velvet, silk, lacquer, mirrors. Key features, tufted furniture, ornate mirrors, and crystal candeliers. Mood, sophisticated, elegant, and movie star chic. Retro pop, 1960s to 1970s mode. Look playful, bold, and funky. Colors, bright orange, lemon green, hot pink, or turquoise. Patterns of art, circles, checkerboard. Furniture, plastic egg chairs, pot-like lamps, or round tables. Mode, fun and energetic. Boho Retro, 1970s high-peak meets natural earthy styles. Look eclectic, earthy, and free-spirited. Colors mustard yellows, terracotta, forest green, cream. Textures rattan, crochet, rings, lamp cream wood. Decor houseplant, low setting, record players or typewriters, mood, relaxed, warm, nature loving. 80s retro revival look loud, playful, and artistic. Colors neon pinks, purples, eclectic blues, silver. Elements abstract shapes, grid patterns, glossy finishes. Details a massage design, arcade style sign, plastic decor, mode vibrant, easy, and fun. Materials that define the retro feel wood, teak, walnut, or oak for warmth and nostalgia. Chrome and steel, popular in 1950s dinners and 1980s glam. Plastic and lucite, funky mood pieces from the 60s and 70s. Glass and mirrored surfaces, add shine and a glam touch. Dye and upcycling ideas. Paint old furniture in pastel or bold retro hues like mint, mustard, coral, navy. Reupholstered vintage chairs with geometric or floral fabrics. Shift picture frames and create a gallery wall of retro ads, album covers, or postcards. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.